Hey credit cousins, have you ever dreamed of getting a credit card without the dreaded hard pull on your credit report? What if I told you that there's a credit union that does just that? Stick around to find out more. The magic of Green State Credit Union is making waves in the credit world. Not only can you open an account with them, but they also offer a soft pull credit card approval for all of their credit cards. And guess what? This is open to everyone, even those outside of Iowa. Soft pull for credit cards? Yes, you heard it right. Green State does a soft pull on TransUnion FICO 9 for their credit cards. And the best part, no hard pull for their membership. That means you won't see any dents on your credit score when you join or apply for their credit cards. When you approach Green State, they'll do a soft pull for membership. Once that's done, they'll inform you about their credit card offers that you're eligible for. But remember, this isn't like a pre-qualify for later type of thing. It's an immediate offer based on your current financial standing. Also, it's key to note that when you actually open up a checking account, they will soft pull for the checking account and immediately offer you credit cards from the exact same pool. Green State membership is open to anyone living or working in Iowa or nearby counties in Illinois, Wisconsin, Nebraska, or South Dakota. But like I said earlier, here's a hack. You can join, anyone can join that's watching this, through the Great American Consumer Council. Even if you're out of state, you must give them a call. This is something that you cannot do online. If you want to join through the American Council, I will have the number down below and also linked here on the screen. And once you give them a call and let them know that you would like to join their credit union and that you would like to join through the American Consumer Council, they'll guide you through the application process. Now, their credit limits are very impressive. You can expect quick approvals ranging from $5,000 to a whopping $20,000. Once you join a credit union and opening a checking account, they pre-approve you for one of their credit cards right away. And like I said, it's also a soft pull for approvals. Membership in the American Consumer Council allows you to join Green State. But remember, like I said earlier, you'll need to call them for this. They'll enroll you in the Iowa Consumer Council upon approval. Green State does offer credit limit increases, but there is a trick. It's a hard pull. But they usually pull from TransUnion. Don't worry, I got you. I know the data points are really important. Now, I also got you on this. If you freeze your TransUnion and Experian, they may pull from Equifax. Now, if you are a long-term credit cousin, you know about this trick. We use it several times with other credit unions. This trick is especially useful if one of your credit profiles is stronger than the other. Green State Credit Union was founded as the University of Iowa Credit Union and headquartered in Iowa City. Green State has a rich history. They actually offer 3 no annual fee credit cards. We love a credit card that you don't have to pay to have. They have Platinum Rewards MasterCard, World MasterCard, and Platinum MasterCard. Each card comes with its unique set of benefits, making them suitable for different type of uses. All right, let's get into the nitty-gritty of each credit card that Green State offers. Trust me, these details are golden. Platinum Rewards MasterCard. Picture this, every purchase you make earn bonus points. We're talking cash, plane tickets, merchandise, and more. Special alert on this credit card is that you can score a 5,000 bonus points when you make $500 in a purchase within 2 months of having the card. That's $50 you can cash in or save for later. And get this, 3 times points on gas, 2 times points on groceries, and 1 times points on all other purchases. Plus, the rates are low and non-variable. How cool is that? Now let's talk about the World MasterCard. Now this is the elite offering. The World Card empowers you to explore the world of your terms with rewards for purchase and top-notch travel benefits. A whopping 10,000 bonus points when you make $1,000 in purchase within 2 months of having that card. Now that's $100, folks. Earn 5 times points on hotel and airlines, 2 times points on gas, and 1 times points on all other purchases. Travelers, this one is for you. Platinum MasterCard. If you're the type who carries a balance, listen up. Platinum MasterCard actually offers a even lower non-variable interest rate. It's a peace of mind in a card. Remember, these cards actually have no annual fees, making them a fantastic choice for savvy credit users. Now, this is something that I did want to include. This is allegedly. Now, while Green State does offer fantastic benefits, there's a catch for those under 20 or over 70. There's no automatic pre-approval for this age group. So if you are under 20 years old or over 70, you may not get a pre-approval offer when joining this credit union, which means a hard pull might be required. This is something I actually found during my research, and it's essential to be aware of it. So I'm just want to put that out there, but this is also allegedly, okay? So credit cousins, what do you think? Isn't Green State Credit Union a game changer? If you decide to apply, don't forget to come back and share your experience with our community. And here's a question to ponder. How would a soft pull credit card change your financial game? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let's discuss. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting insight. We are on a road to 100,000 subscribers. Your likes, comments, and subscriptions help this channel grow and expand their community. So make sure to scroll down and ensure that subscribe button is gray, not red. Thank you. Until next time, keep those credit scores soaring. Bye.